The Occipital Release Tool is a neck traction device that, if you're honest, solves the problem nobody wants to admit out loud in a crowded room. It's not the best cervical traction device on the market, it just lets you lie down without bracing your head against gravity for once. You spend 5 to 10 minutes each day, usually in the late afternoon, when your neck has decided that your skull is a separate entity that needs to be held at a 45-degree angle. The Occipital Release Tool gives you somewhere to rest it that isn't your hand or the edge of a desk. 10 minutes on a firm surface, body weight positioning doing the work, no straps or adjustments to fiddle with. What it is, in plain terms, a memory foam wedge shaped to cradle your head and neck while you lie back. It encourages natural positioning, which means you stop holding tension in your shoulders just to keep your head upright. The high-density memory foam maintains its shape over time, so it doesn't collapse into a sad little dent after a week like cheaper alternatives tend to do. The contoured shape is the key detail. It doesn't just prop you up, it lets your neck settle into a position where gravity stops reminding you it exists. The non-slip pads underneath keep it from sliding around, which matters more than you'd think when you're trying to relax. Here is who this is not for: anyone who needs active traction with resistance bands or mechanical force. If you're looking for a device that pulls your vertebrae apart with measurable tension, this isn't it. You want something with straps and dials, not a foam wedge that leans on body weight. But if your problem is simpler, if you just need to stop holding your head up for 5 minutes, then the limitation is irrelevant. You're not paying for mechanical force, you're paying for a place to put your skull that doesn't hurt. This is what the channel does: one product, examined properly, regularly. Reading the manufacturer's listing, the first thing a careful buyer checks is the foam density. The bullets say high-density memory foam that maintains its shape, which implies it won't flatten out after a month of use. That's the durability signal. What they don't say is how firm that foam actually is, or whether it's too aggressive for sensitive necks. That's the gap worth filling before you buy. The real question isn't whether you can afford this once, it's whether you can afford the cheaper version again and again, only to find it's lost its shape and you're back holding your head up. The link is in the description so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if the timing works for you.